LVANECO low ambient inverter commercial air source heat pump water heater. It's designed for a wide range of commercial applications. It provides hot water efficiently, reliably and consistently. With full DC inverter control, the system automatically adjusts its output according to actual hot water demand. This improves operating efficiency and reduces unnecessary energy consumption. The product range includes models from 4 to 20 horsepower. Under standard test conditions, heating capacity ranges from 60 to 78 kilowatts. Depending on the model, hot water production ranges from 345 to 1,680 liters per hour. The units can provide outlet water temperatures of up to 55 degrees Celsius. They can operate in ambient temperatures ranging from -30 to 43 degrees Celsius. For larger projects, multiple units can be combined into a modular system. One wired controller can manage up to 8 modules. This provides flexible capacity, system redundancy, and a stable supply of hot water. With intelligent defrosting inverter load control and optional 4G remote monitoring, the system is ideally suited for hotels, schools, hospitals, factories, dormitories, and other centralized hot water projects. I got 3 strikes. Like I got 3 strikes.